We appreciate you for coming back to our channel, which is dedicated to providing you with the most current information on the health of the economy in various countries across the globe. The Bank for International Settlements, BIS, is tasked with the responsibility of preserving monetary and financial stability on a global scale. In addition to the pivotal role in the formulation of international financial policy, the BIS is also responsible for this task. Members of the Board of Directors. Membership on the Board of Directors. The BIS operates under the direction of a Board of Directors, which is responsible for the regulation of the company's operations. The board is comprised of a total of 18 members, including the General Manager, who is one of those members. Members of the BIS are chosen by the national central banks of the countries that are part of the BIS. The following individuals presently make up the Board of Directors. Agustin Carstens, formerly the Governor of the Bank of Mexico and now the General Manager of the Bank for International Settlements. The Bank of Spain. Governor Pablo Hernández de Quez. The head of the Bank of Korea, Governor Joo Lee. François Villeroy de Gaulle is currently serving as the Governor of the Bank of France. Christopher Kent, who works for the Reserve Bank of Australia as an Assistant Governor. Previously serving as the Governor of the Brazilian Central Bank Ilan Goldfein. The President of the Bank of the Netherlands Klaas Knot. He serves as the Governor of the Reserve Bank of Australia. Philip Lowe. Jan Smets, a former Governor of the National Bank of Belgium. The Bank of Japan, Baj, Governor Haruhiko Kuroda. President of the Deutsche Bundesbank Jens Weidmann. Jerome Powell is currently serving as the Chairman of the Federal Reserve Board. Chairman of the Board of Governors of the People's Bank of China Yi Gang. Gabriel Makhlouf is the current Governor of the Central Bank of Ireland. The head of the Polish National Bank and Governor Adam Glapiński. The Governor of the Italian Central Bank Ignazio Visco. Mark Carney, a former Governor of the Bank of England, is now serving as the United Nations Special Envoy for Climate Action and Finance. It's possible that you're attempting to find out how many of the board members have any kind of relationship with Larry Fink or BlackRock. There is presently no personal link between any of the prized members of the elite Board of Directors for the eschewed Bank for International Settlements, BIS, and either Larry Fink or BlackRock. Nevertheless, it is vitally essential to bear in mind that some central banks can either hold shares in BlackRock or have engaged the firm to manage their assets. In addition, it's possible that other former BIS board members or representatives have previously worked for BlackRock or had links to the company in some other capacity. Given the composition of the board, however, there is presently no direct tie between any of the board members and either Larry Fink or BlackRock. Who of the group's members had previous involvement with BlackRock? According to information that is available to the public, a number of former BIS officials and board members have worked for BlackRock, or have had other ties to the company in the past. For example, Philip Hildebrand joined BlackRock in 2012, as vice chairman after he stepped down from his position as chairman of the governing board of the Swiss National Bank in 2012. Hildebrand had held this position from 2008. Between the years 2012 and 2019, Hildebrand was a member of the BIS Board of Directors. Another example is Jean Boivin, who was a senior economist at the Bank of Canada until 2019, after which he joined BlackRock as the head of economic and markets research. Formerly holding the position of Deputy Governor at the Bank of Canada is Boivin. Note that these occurrences are based on information that is publicly available, and it is likely that there are more persons who have worked for or had links with BlackRock in the past but have not been included. These examples are based on information that is commonly accessible. In today's video, we have come to the end of our conversation about the individuals who serve on the elite board of directors of the Bank for International Settlements. As can be seen, The board is composed of individuals who have an extensive amount of knowledge and expertise in the fields of finance and central banking. They are very important, in terms of both keeping the steadiness of the global financial system and having an effect on the legislation that govern it globally. Many thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and leave a comment if you want to see more updates on the global economy.